Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are available in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using EverQuote tax software. EverQuote is a tax software solution specifically designed to simplify tax filing for individuals, particularly freelancers and the self-employed. Whether your tax situation is straightforward or involves complex business expenses and investments, EverQuote is built to handle it. One of EverQuote's key strengths is its intuitive user interface. This user-friendly design streamlines the entire tax filing process, guiding you step by step, even through complicated scenarios. You won't feel lost or overwhelmed, regardless of your tax filing experience. A standout feature is EverQuote's comprehensive deduction finder. This tool meticulously scans your tax information to identify potential savings based on your individual circumstances, maximizing your potential refund. For freelancers and small business owners, EverQuote's business expense tracking is invaluable. The software allows for easy input and categorization of expenses, mileage tracking, and even the generation of reports specifically for tax purposes. Importing 1099 forms is seamless, making EverQuote an excellent choice for those with income from multiple sources, like contract or gig work. EverQuote also provides real-time error checking and helpful guidance throughout the entire filing process. This feature minimizes the risk of common mistakes that can delay refunds or lead to complications with the IRS. For added peace of mind, EverQuote offers audit protection options. The software's pricing is competitive within the tax software market, offering a free version for simple tax returns and tiered paid versions for more complex filing needs, making it accessible to a broad range of users. In summary, EverQuote is a robust and reliable tax software solution for freelancers, self-employed individuals, and anyone with more complex tax returns. Its user-friendly interface, efficiency, and comprehensive deduction finding capabilities make it a compelling option. If you're searching for intuitive and cost-effective tax software, EverQuote is certainly worth exploring. For more information and to access EverQuote, check out the links in the description.